What is going on, fam? Hope this message finds you all in good spirits, and welcome to a new episode on ZoubeirsWorld. And today we are going to the ladder. This is Mount Scenery, the last episode. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the ladder. This hike, I don't know how many stairs we have to take until we end up down. But this was the first harbor of this island. All the people who arrived had to climb all the stairs up here. And I am going to hike this down with my slippers. Let's go. They say it will take like 30 minutes or 45 minutes. I don't know how fast I can go, but as you already can see, these rocks were wet, or these rocks are wet. And that means that I have to be very, very careful before I slip and trip and fall with the back of my head on a rock. What is this? This is a toilet. Look at this. Is this still functioning? I can't even see how deep it is. I think this is deep, man. Okay, so we have a toilet in case. And we have a, what is this? A bigger toilet. What is... It's a water reservoir for the people that used to live in this house. All these houses have the same system. Let's see. Oh, wow. Oh, beautiful. Oh. Look, there's a boat over there. And we have some information over here. It says the ladder. Prior to the building of the Fort Bay Harbor, access to Saba was by way of this flight of steps up the cliffs of Ladder Bay. And this is how the hike looks like. Look at this. This is what I want. This is what I want to do. So we came from the forest side and now we are at this house, and then the hike starts all the way down to the ocean. Oh, are these the toxic trees? I've learned that those fruits are toxic. I don't know if this is the tree that is the same. These look a little bit different, but I think this is also one of the toxic trees. Don't stand underneath the tree if it's raining. This is called the dead toxic tree. Whoa, look at this. Oh, wow. Let me drink my Gatorade first. Oh, look how many. Yeah, I think these are the one. I don't know for sure, but I think so. So let's start this beautiful part of this hike. it looks easier than it is because, oh, look at this. Because we have to walk this all the way up again. And I'm with my slippers. Over there you can see Wells Bay with the white rock over there. That white rock is white because of the bird poo. That's a shit rock, a bird shit rock. Oh man. Oh, this is beautiful. Let's go, let's go. I wonder what's downstairs. Is there something like a sign or a congratulations or maybe a drink, a cold one? Let's go. What's on this side? The water is beautiful though. This is a bench for the people that are tired, like me. Woo. Nah, maybe on our way back up. Oh, we're almost there. And I am not the only one who is making use of this hike. As you can see, there are a lot of goats. I can smell them. Oh, maybe we can find some goats. And now I start to smell the ocean. It's not a bad smell, but I am not a big fan of it. Oh, we made it. I think we made it. I even didn't finish my Gatorade. This hike isn't that bad. It's not bad at all. Na, 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 na. And I'm not bad. Woo! I almost tripped. You see, when I'm making jokes, when I'm making fun of this, it kicks my ass. Oh man, look at this. Let's go all the way down. But now, we are here at Ladder Bay. This is the end or the beginning of Ladder Bay. Legends say that when a ship came here, a woman took a piano on her back and climbed this all the way up. Maybe you, as a viewer, can verify if it's true or not. I don't know. Maybe some locals on this island know the story behind this. So I'm going to drink a little bit of my Gatorade and then we are going to start our climb back up.